everyone, welcome to my channel Jerry JLM. Today I'm going to do acrylic espresso refill. I challenge myself. This is not easy refill everyone. I'm going to take up all the old gel off. Now I'm going to use the machine to cut out wherever the acrylic bleed. Now I use a nail clipper to cut up all the acrylic already open. This is not a straight nail, so it's not easy to work on. For me, it's a lot of work, a lot of detail. Now I glue it to make sure all seal. I feel like you crack your real nail underneath too.
Huh?
I feel like your real nail underneath crack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here. Now I am sanding the nail bed. I'm going to mark it down wherever it needs to put more acrylic. If I don't do this, I will forget. It's happened to you before? Normally, I put acrylic refill first, and then after that, I will cut her nail short. But she kept asking me, I want my nail cut down, I want my nail cut down, so I just do it for her to happy. To cut the nail shorter, there will be extra money. I will not forget. Okay, now you will see I'm going to apply acrylic refill, and you will see how much detail I'm going to add more acrylic on her nail. The more the customer wait, and the longer it takes time for me to work on her acrylic nail refill. If you guys like to watching this acrylic channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification so the next time whenever I post a video, you guys can see it. Okay, right. Okay. Mostly I use the machine to trim the nail, to cut the nail, and I do the shape with the machine too. Before I use a file to file the nails because I don't want my hands to hurt.
Really equal. That's why I don't let nobody do my toe. Because I don't know they hate me to death. They go to cut my toe. That's the first time she's ever done that to me. And I felt it and I was just like, oh, it's okay, please, like, and then it just started ringing and ringing and she's like, oh my god, she felt so bad. You know, it's a lot of work. Not a little work. A lot of work. Yeah. Less than 5 minutes. No.
Because she don't have the time, so she say just go ahead and do the clear regular polish. It's supposed to be do a gel white V-tip because she have to go to work. So she tell me that hurry, but I told her that your nail is a lot of work for me, and then she laughing.
Okay, right. Now, let's go taco.
2:15 ra khỏi tiệm. I told them that leave me alone after this. I gotta go. Don't call me do nothing. Bà cũng dọt. For the regular polish, I always ask the customer to pay first before I apply the regular polish. And you know what? To do her nail instead of make money, I lost money. I undercharged. Thank you everyone for watching and I hope you enjoy it and I see you next time. Bye bye.